Good morning, everybody. I am leaving Gamana. It's a bit of a foggy day today, but that's okay. And I've got almost 400 kilometers to go. Pan American again, desert again. Let's see how that goes. This is pretty incredible. If it wasn't for the fog, the view would just be incredible. Again, I'm not sure if anything's visible on the video because the weather is bad, but you can just smell the ocean from here. And I really hope this is recording because it's really beautiful, even though it's a foggy day and the visibility is not the best. It really is very beautiful here. And there's so much sand. 180 kilometers left to Tanaka, getting inland again. The fog at the ocean is just impossible. The visibility is really, really bad, and it's only 1 p.m. Or rather, it's already 1 p.m. and the fog is not clearing. It's actually getting thicker. I don't know if that's normal or if it's just today, but that's pretty bad. Quite a lot of traffic as well, especially trucks and buses and just big vehicles. Right there. And back into the sand dunes again by the looks of it. I am just outside of Chala. The fog is finally cleared. It's getting a lot hotter, and somewhere around here, somewhere between Chala and Tanaka, which I was told is going to be super brutal. So it's somewhere here. And it looks like we just got out of a very foggy, rainy sort of mountains, and now it's all dunes again. I just rolled into Chala, and this place is kind of special to me because in 2013 I learned to ride a motorcycle in Nazca. And Chala, this place right here, was my first destination ever on a motorcycle. I remember feeling very, very accomplished to have made it. And I don't remember where I stayed. It was somewhere in that part of town. It was a horrible little place, but remember that the windows had no glasses in them, and it was a tiny little hotel, but the beach here is amazing. And the owner of the hotel, he let me park my little bike inside, and I got a beer, and it was just really wonderful. And now looking at this place, I mean, it doesn't look like much, but kind of symbolic to be back here, because this was my first destination ever on a bike. Okay, this is definitely Tanaka, and this is where Paul Hurst said it was going to be the worst for the competitors. I don't know if you can see. The road is just covered in sand. There's a little bit of a breeze from the ocean, and the sand is just traveling across the road, and as you can see, just dunes everywhere, and not the nice rolling kind, but it's full of little dips and holes. And apparently this is going to be the really tricky part, so I'm kind of rolling pretty slow here because the sand is just everywhere. So, and it's really fine sand as well. The kind of that you really don't want on the road, especially on bends. So I'm just gonna slow way down here. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oof. Sandblasting. Awesome. So these are the Tanaka dunes. Great rain. Going inland towards Nazca now. I just passed Puerto Lomas. Marcona is about 20 kilometers ahead, and then I'm gonna head further east towards Nazca, and I can't believe it's raining. What? And it's a cold rain as well. I'm in a desert and it's raining. Awesome. To Nazca. The rain was really bad and cold and bad, and the visibility was horrible, but then all of a sudden, like, it was just like a wall. All of a sudden it was gone and it was sunny again, and then more sand. And here I am. This is it. This is Nazca. This is where it all began 5 years ago. When I think of Nazca, I think of Moab for some reason. I mean, I realize this doesn't look like Moab, but in the center it kind of has that feel. And the traffic is mental. What are you doing? Dude. Didn't miss that. But yeah. I've got a little Airbnb here, and I hope it has good Wi-Fi so I can upload the video. And then this is it. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to Lima, and if all goes well, I will see you guys at the Dakar.